Hi guys, so if you follow us on Instagram, you know that we bought a new tent, and that's what we're going to test out today.
Here's the tent. It's about 2 kilograms. It's from Ferrino. It's a Phantom 2, and as you can see, it's super small. So it's gonna be amazing to bring on the trip. So here's the tent without the outer tent. It's just the inner tent. As you can see, you get a lot of view, and right here now with the amazing view behind us.
You can lay like this and you can just
And you can also
enjoy the view.
While you are laying down, you can actually see the entire sky. Okay, so now it starts to rain, and it's a perfect opportunity to put on the outer tent and show you how it works. So now it's pouring down, and we just put out the tent with the outer tent. As you can see, it keeps the rain out. And now we're gonna look inside. Hello.
Oh, hello! I didn't see you there.
We got some intruder into our tent. But as you can see, there's a lot of space here, and as long as we are dry, we are happy actually.
Yeah, I'm really gonna like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But of course, this is not a real life test. This is just us testing how it is to set up.
We're in the garden now, right outside the house.
Yeah.
So
So it's not a real life test, but we will see when we are out in the woods how it works out to have a bag here. Of course, when we have our bags here and we are going to go in and out of the tent, there's gonna be in the way, and if it's pouring down, you don't want to bring the bags in and out all the time. We will give you our
Updates.
opinions
and
on how it
updates.
works, yeah, and updates. Earlier today we went to Tundalen, and it was a lot better weather than it is now. So we will show you some footage from the trip, and it was kind of nice.
Yeah, and we have a new camera and a new gym ball, so we're testing out our new camera equipment. So let us know down in the comment what you think about
the footage.
B-roll.
Yeah. So here's coming.